Hey, this is just a quick little video to show you my Tech Pouch. And this guy measures about 9 inches wide, 6 inches tall, and about 3 inches deep. And it's roughly the same size as your A4 notebook. It's got a nice little design. It's pretty modern, where it's got darted front and back and sort of a wedge shape to it. Gives it a nice aesthetic. On the outside, on one side, it's got a webbing handle. And it just makes it easy to grab in and out of a bag. And it's a clamshell design. So with double zipper pulls, it opens all the way up. And an accordion on the inside to keep it from just flopping completely open. I'll show you some of the pockets and things that I have stored in here so you can get an idea of what you might use it for. So on both front and back, there's these stretch pockets inside. And I have a portable battery, pocket knife, and flashlight just in there on one side. Then on the other side in the stretch pockets, just a pair of AirPods and some extra cables. And also on one side, there's an elastic added for pen loops. You might want to carry an extra journal in there. And then for a little bit of secure carry, there's a zipper pocket on the inside. It's attached with the accordion. And then there's also these slip pockets, which might be used for carrying and organizing just things that may bounce around that you might want easy access to, like snacks or bandana or whatnot. So that's my iteration of a Tech Pouch. You could customize all of this to your fit and your carry items.